Today, we gather here to discuss the identified issue and we will be using the brainwriting technique in this meeting. So I want you all to write in a piece of paper on what are our ideas and suggestions relating to the complex issue that we identified. So now we all have the ideas in a piece of paper. Now we will be discussing this in the meeting. Good morning, team. Today, we need to address a concerning issue that has come to our attention. It appears that there's been a lapse in our cash handling procedures, specifically related to the remittance of collections by one of our cashiers. That's correct, everyone. We've identified that a certain cashier hasn't been remitting cash collections directly to the company's bank account for almost 4 months now. This is a significant concern for the financial integrity of the company. I want to highlight that part of this issue lies in the fact that our accounting and audit team rarely conducts an audit trail on the cash collection processes. This lack of oversight has allowed this situation to persist. I wasn't aware of this issue. How did it go unnoticed for so long? It's a combination of factors. First, the cashier in question was responsible for handling a relatively small volume of cash, so the discrepancy wasn't immediately apparent. Second, there's been a lack of regular audits on cash handling procedures, which could have caught this issue sooner. I understand, but we need to focus on finding a solution now. Can we identify the root cause of this problem? It seems like there's a breakdown in our internal control system. There should be regular reconciliations and audits of cash collections, especially when handled by individual cashiers. Additionally, we need to assess if there are any loopholes in our current procedures that allow this to happen. I agree with the need for a comprehensive internal control review. We must strengthen our procedures to prevent such incidents in the future. Should we involve HR in this? I mean, we need to address this issue with the cashier. Absolutely. HR should be informed, and appropriate disciplinary actions need to be taken. However, our focus now should be on fixing the procedural gaps that allow this to happen. Agreed. Let's form a task force comprising members from finance, internal audit, and HR to conduct a thorough review of our cash handling procedures. We need to ensure that there are checks and balances in place, and regular audits become a standard practice. Also suggest implementing surprise audits if cashiers know that there's a chance of an audit at any time. It could act as a deterrent. That's an excellent suggestion. Surprise audits add an element of unpredictability and reinforce the importance of compliance with our procedures. Once we've identified the gaps and strengthened our internal controls, we need to communicate the changes clearly to all staff involved in cash handling. Training programs may be necessary to ensure everyone understands the revised procedures. We also need to rebuild trust with our clients. They rely on us to handle their transactions with integrity. Absolutely. Rebuilding trust is paramount. We'll need to communicate transparently with our clients about the measures we're taking to rectify the situation and prevent it from happening again. This incident serves as a wake-up call for all of us. It's a reminder that constant vigilance and robust internal controls are essential in safeguarding the financial health of the company. I appreciate everyone's commitment to addressing this issue promptly. Let's move forward with the task force, conduct a thorough review, and implement the necessary changes guiding principles. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.